it's your favourite travel agent here, Louise. I'm just coming on with this incredible deal from P&O Cruises. So how does a 7-night Canary Island fly cruise sound? You fly out to Tenerife and it sails on the 21st of November this year. So you're going to all those hot countries when everyone's freezing indoors. It's an inside cabin, full board, incredible entertainment, amazing views, such an incredible price. Just contact me if you want to get booked up. This won't stay around for long. I'm actually doing this cruise myself in November, not those dates, but early November. And it is an incredible itinerary and that price is amazing.